Good day! For today, I am going to do the performance task number 2 in pre-calculus. But before that, let me introduce myself first. I am Danica Manalo and I am going to make a tutorial video about arithmetic sequence. So, without further ado, let's get started. So as I've said, we'll be tackling about arithmetic sequence. But before that, let us have our objectives first. At the end of this topic, you should be able to: letter A, determine what is an arithmetic sequence. Letter B, find the common difference and the specified terms of an arithmetic sequence. And lastly, letter C, find how many terms are there in the arithmetic series and find the partial sum of the arithmetic series. When we say arithmetic sequence, what comes in your mind first? So let me tell you. Arithmetic sequence is defined as the sequence of numbers where the difference between any two consecutive terms is constant, and the constant between two consecutive terms is called common difference, or D. So I have here a table that shows an example of arithmetic sequence. So for the first table, we have increasing arithmetic sequence with a common difference of positive. The arithmetic sequence 1, 4, 7, 10, and 13, and so on and so forth. So to get the common difference, we need to choose any two consecutive terms and subtract the second term to the first term. So I chose 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So we have a common difference of positive 3. On the next table, we have decreasing arithmetic sequence with a common difference of negative. The arithmetic sequence 15, 13, 11, 9, and 7, and so on and so forth. So to get the common difference, we need to choose any two consecutive terms and subtract the second term to the first term. So I chose 13 minus 15 is equal to negative 2. So we have a common difference of negative 2. Upon getting common difference, all you need to remember is to choose any two consecutive terms in the sequence and subtract the second term to the first term. So you will get the common difference. And now you know how to get the common difference of the arithmetic sequence. Let's move to the general formula of an arithmetic sequence. The general formula of an arithmetic sequence is a sub n is equal to a plus quantity n minus 1 multiplied by d, where a sub n is the nth term of the sequence, a is the first term of the sequence, and d is the common difference. So I have here different examples that shows the general formula of arithmetic sequence. So for the example number 1, find the 12th term of arithmetic sequence 2, 7, 12, 17, and so on and so forth. So first we have our given. A is equal to 2 because it is our first term. D is equal to 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. And our n is equal to 12. For our solution, first thing we need to do is to rewrite the formula. A sub n is equal to a plus quantity n minus 1 multiplied by d. Substitute the given terms. A sub 12 is equal to 2 plus quantity 12 minus 1 multiplied by 5. A sub 12 is equal to 2 plus 12 minus 1 is 11. 11 times 5 is 55. 2 plus 55 is 57. So our a sub 12 is equal to 57. Let us now have our example number 2. In the sequence 6, 2, negative 2, and so on and so forth, which term is negative 38? As I've said, first thing we need to do is to rewrite the formula. A sub n is equal to a plus quantity n minus 1 multiplied by d. Then substitute the given terms. Negative 38 is equal to 6 plus quantity n minus 1 multiplied by negative 4. Negative 38 is equal to 6 minus 4n because negative 4 times n is negative 4n and negative 4 times negative 1 is positive 4. Negative 38 is equal to 6 plus 4 minus 4n and 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Negative 38 is equal to 10 minus 4n. The negative 4n is transposed at the left side, so it will be positive 4n. And the negative 38 is transposed at the right side, so it is positive 38 now. So, 4n is equal to 10 plus 38. 4n is equal to 48 all over 4. 4n divide 4 is n. 48 divide 4 is 12. So that n is equal to 12. Let us now move on from arithmetic sequence. Let us now have arithmetic series. Arithmetic series is found by multiplying the number of terms times the average of first and last term. Maybe you're wondering what is the difference between arithmetic sequence and arithmetic series. Arithmetic sequence is sequence where the common difference between successive terms is constant, while arithmetic series is the sum of the terms of an arithmetic sequence. Example, arithmetic series 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 12 plus so on and so forth plus 72. For our given, we have a is equal to 3 because it is our first term. The common difference is 3 and our a sub n is equal to 72. For the first question, we have how many terms are there in the arithmetic series? To get the answer in that question, we will be using the general formula of an arithmetic sequence. A sub n is equal to a plus quantity n minus 1 multiplied by d. Substitute the given terms. 72 is equal to 3 plus quantity n minus 1 multiplied by 3. 72 is equal to 3 plus 3 times n is 3n. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. 72 is equal to 3 minus 3 is equal to 0 plus 3n. 72 is equal to 3n all over 3. 3n divide 3 is n. 72 divide 3 is 24. So that n is equal to 24. To get the sum of the terms in the series, we will be using the formula S sub n is equal to n over 2 quantity 2a plus quantity n minus 1 multiplied by d. Substitute the given terms. S sub 24 is equal to 24 over 2 quantity 2 times 3 plus quantity 24 minus 1 multiplied by 3. 24 divide 2 is 12. 2 times 3 is 6. 24 minus 1 is 23. And 23 times 3 is 69. 6 plus 69 is 75. 12 times 75 is 900. Therefore, the sum of the terms in the series is 900.